Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Urban Lakes near Kunnagar railway station, and you can see this is the actual site office of our project, and this is a project of 13.9 acres total land parcel, and developers Shugam Group and Diamond Group. And this approaching road is Lal Bahadur Shastri Road, just adjacent to the project, and this project is located just beside Kunnagar railway station. And let's see inside. So this is the main entry gate of our project. We are entering into the project periphery. Currently we are offering 3 towers, G+12 3 towers, and G+15 1 tower. Total we are having 4 towers in phase 1, and in phase 1 we are having 5.6 acres of land, which will be handover in 2025 October. And this project is located very nearby to Grand Trunk Road, which is GT Road, main connecting road of Howrah, which connects towards the Bombay Road, national highways. All connectivity are there, and if anybody comes from Dankuni housing, then also they can connect via GT Road, Grand Trunk Road. And this is the actual site of the project, and you can see just behind these bars, these are the project land area. And currently we are having marketing office here, and our project is already approved by SBI and HDFC Bank. So this is the experience center of our project, and this project is also approved by HDFC, and this is the experience center. So come inside our project experience center and let's see the miniature model. So we are going inside. So Shugam Group is having existing credentials. They have already developed and delivered many projects in Kolkata and outside, Durgapur and Siliguri location also. So come inside then. So this is the experience center of our project, and now come, this is the miniature model. In phase 1 we are having 560 units, and this is the natural water body. We are having 3 number of natural water bodies in our project. This is one natural water body, this one is multi-purpose court, and this is the second natural water body, and these are the towers on phase 1. There are 4 number of towers. These buildings are G+12 in front. There will be another commercial space in front of the gate, and these are 2 other towers G+12, and this tower is G+16, and this is the mini natural water body which is situated on phase 1. And these are some future development areas. So let's see from this side. So this is the outside view of our project. Let me zoom in. So hope you like this video. If you are interested about this project, then please call us as early as possible. We are offering very attractive price offers for limited period. So thanks a lot for watching. Please share and subscribe for further updates, and if you have any queries, please feel free to ask. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.